Hello traders, Mark P. Markets here. My name is Mark Principato. I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for joining me for another exclusive Bitcoin video analysis here for FX Empire. So once again, in this session, I'm going to talk about the current Bitcoin price action, the support and resistance that we're looking at, and some scenarios that we're anticipating for the coming week. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. This is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Also, make sure to check out greenbridgeinvesting.com. We have a swing trade signal service and all that stuff. There'll be a link to our website in the descriptive portion of this analysis. All right, so on to Bitcoin. Now, we have a swing trade on from 48,500, which we called a while back. Okay, I mean, that dates all the way back to this area here. We've exited on 2 targets so far, and we only have 1/3 of the position left. Now, here's the thing. We tested the 57K peak, right? We broke higher, and then it failed right away. This rectangle that I have in this area is a reversal zone. I talked about it in my previous video. We got the inside bar, and it gave a sell signal. So we didn't exit our 1/3 because we want to see how far it goes. We're a strong hand in this situation, so we can afford to let the market fool around. Even if we break even on that 1/3, we're still green on the rest of the position. That's a strong hand. Now, people that are buying this right now, or people that bought near that top and are seeing it come back and they think everything is okay, the risk is very high at these levels. Now, we had a pin bar develop yesterday. And then today we had this reversal candle take place as a result of the FOMC meeting that it appeared. And again, it gave a buy signal, but what's the difference? Why would we not share a trade on this buy signal? It's because of the location, okay? This is a low probability location. Even though it may go further, it's possible that it tests the low 60s. But over time, it's a bad idea to be buying into resistance levels. And resistance so far has proven itself here on this sell signal and even back here at 57K. Obviously, people are interested in selling in this area. We could see it on the chart. So if price pulls back off of here for a new swing trade, I'm only interested in 50K, okay, 50K support. So if we get that test, then we can have a potential buy signal develop from there that we may be interested in. Now, if we get a new sell signal off of this area again, we will most likely make an adjustment and exit the 1/3 of our position that we're in and just take whatever profits there, okay? You can't go into hope mode with these things just because, yeah, the trend is still bullish, right? I'm not bearish on this thing, but I don't like buying into resistance levels. The probability is just not favorable. What people need to understand is that type of behavior over time does not pay off. It may pay off randomly and people think, oh, that's good. So what it does is it breeds ineffective behavior, okay? The effective thing, or to trade with the probabilities, and this is particularly true for short-term market strategies or timing strategies like swing trades, is you need to buy into supports in a bullish trend. Okay, buying into the resistances is a much harder game, and especially when the psychology gets involved and you're unsure and you don't have the experience to know what something looks like when it's turning the wrong way. So over the next few days, again, looking for that pullback to 50K, right? I don't trust this little pop that we're getting right now. Now, if we clear the 61K peak and we start to push, okay, it's possible that we see 66K, but I'm not willing to take that risk, okay, that we fake out instead. If we get that failed high here, we're looking at, you know, a more pronounced pullback, and 50K is the first support. All right, so I'll leave you with that. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to visit greenbridgeinvesting.com. We have a free chat room where you can ask questions there as well. Okay, so my name is Mark Principato, Mark P. Markets. Thank you so much for watching.